Hello everyone. I'm going to start a new little series. We'll see how long it lasts. I don't know. I have a mess on my table all the time. Now, I like to save all of these little bits, but they need to get used up. And so what I have decided is to do Work Table Wednesday, and every Wednesday sit down and try to make something with these bits. I think it's Caged Fish calls them giblets, but I can't remember. They want to be bits. And another thing I had on my table are these advertising postcards that I had actually gotten the back covered with a piece of white copy paper. But I have done nothing to the fronts. So I am going to make postcards for the time being. On my Work Table Wednesday, I'm going to make postcards with my bits. Now, I will probably just get busy here in a minute and work, and then come back and show you what I've done when I finish up in a little bit. Much like I do when I do my art journal. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you it's interesting, and I'm going to just get busy here. Okay, so all of a sudden my camera decided that it was going to run out of battery, so I'm finishing these up now. I'm sorry it was a little boring today because I didn't plan ahead as far as what was on my work table, and trying to trim the postcards while they were wet was not working. So I went ahead towards the end of the my time, and I just did 3 more backgrounds. So those will be ready, and I'll have them in my little work table envelope for next week. I hope you are going to enjoy this little series. And for now, it's going to be postcards. In the future, I might decide to do a journal. As a matter of fact, you know, these might be fun to sew into a journal. I might just do that. I might make a whole bunch of these and then sew them into a book. That is one thing that I can do. They aren't quite finished because I will come back in with some Stabilo pencil and some things like that. But I hope to work on this project every Wednesday. We'll just see how it goes. You never know. Anyways, guys, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and get on with the day. There is no such thing as absolute creative success or absolute creative failure. Aim to truly satisfy your creative impulses, and if you achieve that, then the process will have been worthwhile. And I do agree with that. I hope you guys enjoy the day. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.